Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video you are going to see how I am going to take care of the chickens. We already have the local breed chickens at home. Some of the chicks are already growing, and I have also brought 30 broiler chickens right now, and that was contributed by my own cousin sister, Dr. Monlami. So thank you, Ata, for contributing. I wanted to test trial with these chicks at home, and since they are very small right now, intensive care is going to be given here in my own hometown, and later on when they grow up, we're gonna take them to the chicken poultry farm that we have made in the village. Let's get started with the work. Yes. Here are the chicks. So these are broiler chicks, and I'm gonna take them. Okay, wait, I need to carry them properly. So they need intensive care for now. We already have chicken poultry shed here in our hometown. So we have been rearing them ever since, I know, it's been years and years we have been rearing chickens along with pigs, dogs, all the animals included. Today you're gonna see the other side of the chickens. Wait, guys. Oh, he gonna order the chicken. Come down, sakana.
Chicken.
Ini come down, na. So these are local hybrid chickens. Hybrid one. And the one in the basket is one pure broiler. And guys, this goat right here is already 3.5 years old. These are the chicks here.
30 chicks. Local bird 30, 60.
60 chicks.
Wow!
And here is
the number of
foot.
All total 60.
Yeah. Good. 치도. 니츠 좀. 핑가란 니란도이야. Hijundo color la. What color is this?
Yellow.
Black color. And here is brown color. Okay.
Brown color, just.
I will help you.
Guys, let me show you.
Your poultry, no? Poultry project is starting today. Whether you will become a prosperous woman or here you will know.
Today gana.
다른 게 편한 이가 다 해. 봐, 네. 근데 둘.
Okay guys, we are repairing the chicken bowl. That's little Kabila. So please, so. That's the chicken, say that.
Ana shi zama la.
No, it's not a Malinese. You can turn on them, but you do the land. So yeah, this is what my dad have made.
현재 고르니나 시장에 지킬 수 있는 그런 소들로 좋습니다.
시내 트런 순간이.
오카니 술 나간다. 나저 다스플릿 안 지나?
다스플릿요.
So we need to remove those sheets right there later on. My dad here have placed a cartoon here so that the wind will not distract them. They will stay warmer. Light chikaro 정하장 sheet here so abo.
라이트 여기 머리도 흔들었어. 무슨 센스가? 잡. 너도 뭐 화반 분한다. 진짜는.
Good morning.
Good morning, hello guys.
Hello guys.
Good morning, hello guys.
Hello guys. These are the local chickens.
Look at chicken.
So this mother has got 17 chicks here.
누나 달라지다.
At night we used to cover and keep it with her mama chicken. And this is also another local eggs. This chicken is laying egg again. And the pigs are already eating their food. Pig food. I just feeded the pigs. And here is another pig. So I'm gonna show you what we give to our chickens now. My niece here have already started. So early in the morning, if we have any leftover rice, we give them that one, mix it with wheat bran and some. Oh my god, it's dark here. Wait. And right there, if you can see, I'm cooking pork. This one.
나.
What are you doing? So here is a wheat bran and we're gonna mix it. And of course, the little feet. So I'm gonna add a little feet, chicken feet here. So this uncooked rice as well. Mix it properly. So this is how it will look like. So since there are two cooks here, they'll start fighting if I only give it in one area. They'll start fighting. He won't let this cook eat. So what we do is we throw a little bit here as well. And also here for the little chicks and their mama. And we also have another chicken here. Oh.
아니, 1, 2, 찍어가. 1, 2, 1, Two chickens.
Kaise kudasna. No kudaba.
1, 2.
Only two na. Tade ka chete ka khana. No kibunji khana. Tade. Oh, very good. Come on, let's go. So guys, this is how we look after them. I'm gonna add a little water. Wash your hands. Wash your hand with soap. Wash your hand with soap.
아빠 먼저 그래. 왜 아프냐?
Tôi cái này lùm nhùm cái. Tôi đây ít phụ cái.
그때 맞춰서가 아니라.
So yeah, that's it. And for the broiler chickens, we're keeping them inside. Listen. So here the broiler chickens, and we have changed the bulb here. I need to add water. We have also mixed it with some of the local chicks here. If you can see this one, these are local chick hybrid chicks. And here, Nisi have already climbed herself to watch the chicks, but you're not supposed to do that. Thank you guys. Thank you all for watching this.
Watching.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you.
See you. Peace
Next
out.
time. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out.